Sometimes we will be asked to look at a number sequence and determine other features of the pattern that were not explicit in the rule. When we look at this pattern, the first thing we do is we do need to determine what the rule is. So what is happening between 4 to 15, 15 to 26, 26 to 37, 37 to 48, and 48 to 59? Well, we know that 15 is not a multiple of 4, so we cannot be multiplying. So let's think about addition. If I'm going to go from 4 to 15, I'm going to need to add 11. Okay, so far that's the relationship between the first two terms. To get from 15 to 26, let's check it. That will work. 15 plus 11 would give us 26. Let's keep going. We want to check the whole sequence. That's going to work. Plus 11, plus 11, plus 11. So we have determined the rule. The rule here is to add 11 each time. But there's also some other interesting things going on in this number pattern. For example, I started with a 4 in the ones place. And then I go to a 5 in the ones place, a 6, a 7, an 8, and a 9. So one interesting feature is that the ones place increases by 1 digit each time. That's just something extra that happened. And so then if I look again, we also see something similar in the tens. We have a 10, a 20, a 30, a 40, and a 50. So also the tens place increases by 1 digit each time. This is just one example of finding some extra features that show up when other than the rule within number sequences and patterns.